Hello children, welcome back to my English class. I am Rekha D'Souza. In my last class, I had explained you the conversation between hen and the peacock. Hen and the ostrich. Okay, the ostrich was very sad. Why the ostrich was very sad? Because it cannot fly up in the sky. So then when they were talking at that time, peacock comes. Now let us see, let us continue the lesson. What the peacock says. Hello everybody. Friend hen, you were saying that the ostrich should be proud of one more thing. What's that one more thing? Because what the hen said to the ostrich, it said that you should be proud of many things. One is you are the largest and the swiftest bird. And one more thing is that, so the peacock is asking, what is that one more thing which you want to tell? So now let us see what the hen says. The ostrich lays the largest eggs of all. This is important. Okay. The ostrich lays the largest eggs of among all the birds, and they weigh, means they weight, what is their weight? Many kilos. Very big eggs it lays. So that is the one more thing. The hen says that the ostrich lays the largest eggs of all the birds, which weighs many kilos. So next, ostrich. That's true. Yes, I lay biggest egg. But I can't fly. I can't fly. Again, the ostrich says the same thing, that yes, I know I have so many good things with me, but still I can't fly. That is expressed again and again, at that again and again it is worried that he can't fly. Next. Oh, come on, don't be sad, the peacock says. Oh, come on, don't be so sad. Look at me. I'm a bird too, but I can fly only a few yards. I can't fly high in the sky. And you might be surprised to know, but there are many other birds who can't fly. Now, what the peacock says to the ostrich? The peacock says, okay, don't be sad now. Don't be sad now. Even I'm a bird. Even I'm a bird like you. But I also cannot fly very high. Peacock flies, but it cannot fly very high in the sky. And you should be surprised to know that not only you cannot fly, there are some other birds who can't fly. What the peacock says, not only you, there are some other birds who can't fly in the sky. So what the ostrich said, wiping its tears and looking surprised. Really? Many others? Can you tell me who those are? Now the ostrich felt happy. So what it felt happy, and it understood that, oh, there are some other birds like me, no? Those cannot fly. So he wants to know who are those. He is asking with the hen, tell me who are those. Hen, sure. Kiwis can't fly at all. Pigeons can hardly fly. They live on the snow and they are all very happy. They don't feel sad at all. What the hen says? He says that birds like kiwi, see kiwi is here, picture is mentioned there, kiwis, and penguin is there. So birds like kiwis and penguins, they cannot fly. Kiwis can't fly at all, but penguins can hardly, little they jump. You might have seen, you can see the video some, okay, they just jump. So where do they live? They live on the snow, and they are all very happy. They are not sad like you. Okay, they are all very happy. They don't feel sad at all. So why you feel very sad? Feel present tense, felt past tense, felt F-E-L-T. Okay. So now what the ostrich did? Oh, is that so? Then I'll not feel sad anymore. Jumps, very happily jumps and says, oh, there are some other birds like me, no? So that means I will never feel sad hereafter anymore. Now I know all birds can't fly. What did the ostrich say? Now I understood that all birds can't fly. Ho ho, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm very happy. It is jumping like anything. So there are some meanings. Let me read just. Gloomy, as I told you, sad. Proud means feeling pleased with one's achievement. Swift, as I told you, quick. Compete means take part, okay, in the competition. Yard means unit of measurement. Now, children, what do we learn from this lesson is very, very important. The first thing is, what do we understand? First of all birds cannot fly. And there are some birds like which ostrich, hen, penguin, kiwi, peacock, etc. They cannot fly. We also learn that we should be happy that how God has made us. This is important. We should feel happy that how God has made us. He has made each one of us in a very unique way. Very different way he has created each one of us. One or the other talents he has given for us. So each one of us have different talents. Okay, some of you are maybe be very good in studies. Some of you are maybe very good in drawing. Some of you are maybe good in singing. Some may be dancing. Some may be in sports. So you should not feel sad. Okay, you should be very happy that, or you should be thankful to God whatever he has given for us. Okay, thank you students. I will send the copy of the lesson. Please practice reading at home.